Hi everyone, I am coming here not so live. I pre-recorded this because I want to be able to keep it and reference it. This video is about PV Assist. If you are a Young Living member, you should be on Essential Rewards. If you are on Essential Rewards, you should be on PV Assist. Now, what PV Assist does is it assures that you will not miss an order because something went out of stock. Let me give you an example. For PV Essential Rewards, you need to spend 50 PV per month. You may order the same thing, you might change up every single month. But if you've gone in, changed your order, and you say, oh, I'm going to process this on the 28th of the month, and something goes out of stock, well, if you haven't gone back to your virtual office to look at it, you're not going to notice that it's gone out of stock. So something in your order is out of stock, and that causes your PV to go below 50 or whatever level you're trying to hit for the promos. Well, then what happens is your order won't process if it's less than 50. If your order doesn't process that month, then you lose all of your points that you've accumulated to this point, and you have to start over at 0 points and at 10% with your point value back instead of maybe you're on 20 or 25%, right? So that would be a tragedy. If you've been on Essential Rewards for more than 3 months, you're getting 20% back in points. If you've been on for more than 24 months, you are getting 25% back. So you don't want that to happen. And it has happened to people where they haven't checked up on it. They just figured, oh, I placed my order or it's going to process, but things go out of stock suddenly. So PV Assist is designed to help you keep at the level that you want. So you set your limits. So say you want the minimum of 50. I want to make sure I make my 50 PV. So if something goes out of stock, I won't miss anything. I won't have to start over at 0. So PV Assist will let you choose things that you just kind of keep. It's like a wish list. You keep a list of different products or oils that you would use. And if something suddenly goes out of stock and you're short $10, it's going to find an oil on your list that's going to get you to that 50 PV or above. Okay, so it's just sort of a safety net to catch these kind of mistakes. So if you're not on PV Assist, you need to get on PV Assist. The next part of this video, I'm going to come back and show you a screenshot of how to get on PV Assist and how easy it is. But if you're on Essential Rewards, don't jeopardize your membership or your level of membership, I should say. You need to get on that. Okay, so hold on, I'll be switching over in just a second. All right, so I have opened up my virtual office and it gives me this menu of items. If you're not clicked onto your Essential Rewards, click on it and then you get the menu items that are under Essential Rewards. You want to go to PV Assist right there. And I already have a ton of things in there, okay? Got 9 different things at different price points to help me get up. Now, the PV total of what's in there is $214. My PV goal is $100 because I am a business member and business members need to meet that 100 PV goal every month in order to get residual commission. So anybody can give their membership number to another potential member and collect $50 if you spent $50 that month. But if you want to get residual income, meaning you get commission on anything they buy later on, and for the unforeseeable future, then you need to, as a business member, spend 100 PV. So that's my PV goal. I often go over that anyway because there's so many different products that I love and use and need in my life. But this is what I have here, okay? Now, I have it active, meaning it's ready to go. If I didn't want my PV-Assist to kick in for some reason, I don't know why, I could just disable it, okay? I'm not going to do that. So I can edit my PV goal at any time. So if I am all about hitting the 300 promo level, I want to set that to 300 just in case. But for every day, every month, I should say, 100 is fine. So you can see I just have these different items. If I wanted to add something else, I can add a product. I can go look for it. So let's see, I use Agilis, so it wouldn't hurt to add on Agilis in case, you know, that's a bigger price point. I don't really need it to be on there. But as you can see, it added Agilis down here. Something else I like to use often is the bath, or actually it's called shower gel. And I don't buy the ones that have the scents already. I use the base. And I create my own, adding manly scents for my husband's shower gel. And I like to use lavender and valor in mine. So again, that added it down here to this order. So now my PV value is 277. If I didn't meet my 100 PV goal, something from this list would pop into my order automatically. Something, not all of it, okay? They would, you know, if it was, they would pick something that's close to the amount that I need to get to that goal that I made, okay? So last thing is to save it. And now you'll notice I have another 2 items in my list. And this isn't a priority order, it's just a list, okay, of things that they can add to your order so that your PV makes it to your goal that you have set, so that if something goes out of stock or something's not available for some reason, you meet your goal. So I hope that took care of it for you. I hope you understand how easy that is. If you're on Essential Rewards, make sure you're on PV-Assist so that you don't lose any orders or any points or have to start over at 10% again. All right. This has been a public service announcement. I hope you're all doing well, and please always post or message me if you have questions. All right. Take care.